Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Mylene P. Lizara, 39 years old, married. My husband is a gardener. I have one daughter, 15 years old. I have 5 brothers and 5 sisters, and I am eldest in the family. I am Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management graduate.
Okay, do you have any experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, ma'am. But I work here in the Philippines as a domestic helper for 2 years to a couple of 2 kids, 5 years old boy and 2 years old girl. My work is doing household chores like cleaning, marketing, washing the clothes and ironing, and the priority is to take care of the kids, ma'am.
Okay, do you also cook there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, how would you describe yourself?
I am honest, patient, hardworking, can work under pressure, and a humble person, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any surgical operation before?
No, ma'am.
Okay, why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, ma'am, to send my daughter in school and to save money in order to build my own house.
Okay, if you get hard, who will take care of your daughter?
My husband, ma'am.
Okay, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working there?
When I working, ma'am, I usually sleep 10 o'clock p.m. after my work, and I wake up early 5 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, are you the one who do the cooking and marketing?
Yes, ma'am.
In Hong Kong kids, the kids they're super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will talk slowly and nicely to them, ma'am, and be more patient to the kids, ma'am.
Okay, if you're homesick, what would you do?
I will just focus on my work, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relative, and friends of your employer, will you help them and do some household chores there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
First, I will check the baby body temperature, ma'am. Maybe the baby is sick, and I will tell or call my employer, ma'am.
Okay. Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me an example.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Okay, can you please say something to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Mylene Lizara. If you select me as one of your domestic helper, I will finish my contract and extend if needed. I am honest, hardworking, trustworthy, and can work with less supervision. Good day.